Hello, my dear young kids, small kids, first class students. Today's session we are going to draw basic needs. What are basic needs? Water, food, clothes, shelter means house. These are all the basic needs, no children. Today we are going to draw the pictures of basic needs. Let us start. Take signs HW or CW, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Okay, let's start diagrams. Amma. What are our basic needs, children? Food, water, okay, air, clothes and house. Okay, let's start the diagrams along with me. First to draw the food. Okay, food means you have to draw anything, bread or biscuits or cake or anything. Okay, first to draw the circle. First to draw the circle. Okay, can you guess what is this? Yes, this is the egg. Okay, you like to eat egg, no children? Yes, you like to eat egg, no children? Draw the egg. Okay, color it yellow color. Okay, this is the albumen. Inside a thick portion is present, no, that is called albumen. So this is the bread. Okay, this is the egg. This is the egg. Draw like this. Very easy to draw. And this is the bread, children. This is the bread. Very easy to draw these pictures, children. Okay. Just laughing. Okay, this is the bread. Food. Bread and egg. Now start water. How to draw the water? Okay, see water. Every day when we feel thirsty, you drink water, no children? Every day you must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Water is one of the basic need, children. It is must to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Okay, how to draw water? See, like this. Draw lightly first. Okay, and draw two straight lines. Okay, like this is the glass. This is the glass. Okay, water. What is there inside the glass, children? Water. Glass of water. Okay, ma? Water. Will you draw like that? Next, clothes. You wear different types of clothes, no children? Yes, we wear cotton clothes, woolen clothes, party wear, function wear. Okay, during marriages we wear different types of clothes, but it is very easy to draw. Now winter season is coming, we wear sweater, no? Now let us learn how to draw sweater. How to draw a sweater. Okay, are you ready to draw? Yes. So first draw two lines like this, okay. You wear sweater, no children, in winter season? Yes. Okay, draw like that. Hands, draw hands like this. Okay, ma, this side also draw hands. Draw the hand like that. Okay, this is the neck part. Okay, children. Okay, neck part, draw like this. Okay, is it clear? Curved lines, curved lines. Draw short lines like this. Neck part complete. Now take another color. Draw like that. You to draw like this only, amma. It is your wish. It is your wish, children. Colors. Okay. Here draw another color. Okay, complete. Now take another color. Okay, children, is it nice, amma? Yes, that is a sweater. Now remaining house. How to draw the house? Come on, take scale. Draw one straight line like that. Horizontal line. Now straight lines. One more horizontal line like this. Yes. Okay. Door. Okay, and windows. Okay, children, door and windows. It is very easy to draw for you. Okay, draw same length. Draw one straight line and horizontal lines like this. Okay, and draw like that. Here one more straight line, chimney like this. Okay, it is very easy to draw, no children? Yes, it is your wish. Colors. Okay, children, it is your wish. Draw the tree. Okay, yesterday I said no, Y shape, two curved lines. How to draw a tree? Two curved lines and keep one Y shape, one V shape and W shape. Okay, draw like this. Cloud shape. Okay, children, it is very easy to draw like this. Curved lines like this. V shape, W shape, Y shape and the cloud shape. Okay, children, write names. This is the house. This is the house. House is also one of the basic need. House. Okay. Food, water, clothes and house. Food, water, clothes and house. These are all the basic needs. Okay. You must draw 2 times summa. Okay, children. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, children. Bye. Take care. See you later.